Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, it's Cherry Mark right here shooting this video from Egypt. I just wanted to do a quick review about traveling to Egypt and yes, I'm right here in Egypt, as you can see. Oh my god, I'm doing a lot of shaking. Anyways, yes. I think I should just get up and show you around. First of all, I'm just going to show you where I am. That's where I am residing in. This is just a simple hotel. Yes, apparently, yeah, I don't know what to say about the hotel, but it's nothing special. Yes, if you are looking for a hotel in Egypt, most probably that's the most challenging. Behind there is my backpack. Yes, that's the most challenging part, because one thing, yes, the Egypt standard of hotels is not what you would expect to be like high standard, or good standard. For a 4-star hotel, yes, I know 4-star hotel is for them, is for the Western standard, something to do with 2-star or 1-star. So if you are looking for a hotel, be very careful, because hotels here are not what you would really rate as 4-star hotel. Yes, there's a lot of I don't know what to call it. The standard in Egypt is not worth 4-star or 5-star. If you see a hotel written 5-star or 4-star, just be very careful what you are looking for, and be very careful what you are getting yourself in, because like I said, the standards are really low, like really low, not worth the 4 stars or the 5 stars. Maybe I'm just speaking from my own experience, but I think that's general. I think that has to do with everything here. Okay, well, Egypt is a very beautiful place, very beautiful country, as you can even see from my background. Yes, there's a lot to see. If you're looking for beach holidays, sun holidays, and that kind of a holiday, then Egypt is the right place to be. Egypt is most probably having sun 12 months in the year, if I'm not wrong, and it might not disappoint you concerning the weather. However, you have to note carefully that when you're here, the evenings can get really mild, really mild, cold, windy, and really chilly and really mild. So it's good to note when you're coming here, get yourself some warm pullovers, warm jackets as well. Not really heavy jackets, but just light jackets. Yes. Well, the other thing I'll say about Egypt, the people here are extremely friendly, nice, friendly, social, just really open, and very caring. You know, when you are coming here, everybody is always there to serve you, to look and check if everything is okay. Everyone is asking, do you need this, do you need that, and even they will offer you so many so many services. I mean, like in the room, most probably if you get a good room boy or room girl who is cleaning your room, they will even offer you extra water. So I think that's just an extra kind of service, and really just pure caring people, friendly, open. Wow, I don't know what to say. They are really really nice. With that, I will just give you an example. We were going for a safari, and for the safari you need to carry yourself warm pullovers or jackets, just in case you get the dark gets in while you're there. And mind you, this guy or this man who was one of those organizing people in this safari offered me a jacket. I mean, it just came randomly, unexpectedly, and yes, I couldn't believe it. I mean, who does that? And he just told me, put that jacket in your bag, put the jacket for yourself, you will get it on when it gets cold. And I'm like, what? Remember, I had even my jacket. Actually, I had a jacket of myself, but okay, it wasn't really warm enough. But this guy, the man, wow, I don't know. I give them credit for this kind of service. Niceness, friendliness, openness, caring, serving people very nice, like extra nice. With those few words, I'm going to end this video right here, and I'm going to check you back in the next episode. See you soon.